Hello and welcome all of you, wherever you are. Good morning, good evening. I can see we have people from Canada. Great, welcome. Poland, Romania, Hungary, Vietnam, the Philippines. Yes, that's great. Well, welcome again, all of you. These are exciting times. You are just about to double your OPRs. The second round of bonus OPR allocations is only a few days away, so I just thought we should go through some of the basics, what we do, how the bonus OPR program works, and why we do it, and what it means to you. First of all, if you look into your web office, this is what you will see. As you can see, the bonus OPR indicator now stands at 90%, which means that we are really close to the second round of allocating bonus OPRs. For our new members, new partners, just a little recap. What are OPRs? OPRs are optional purchasing rights. They are an internal accounting unit of Ilgamos, but in simple terms, it's your entry ticket to the ILCoin mining pool. And if you are in this business to mine ILCoins and get into the mining pool, you should focus on acquiring as many OPRs as you can, but I'm going to talk about that later. What can you do with your OPRs? Besides converting them to ILCoins, mining rights and ILCoins, of course, some of those OPRs you can trade, that is, sell if you want. I'm going to explain that also in a few minutes. We designed the system in such a way that it gives every partner an equal opportunity at the start. Whenever you join, you get the same number of OPRs when you purchase your pack or packs. So I think that's nice and fair and attractive and predictable and sustainable. So you get a certain number of OPRs when you purchase your packs, but as I said, every sane person should get as many OPRs as possible. How can you get more OPRs? First, as I said, be a passive participant, buy more packs at your leisure or as your finances allow you to do that, and get more OPRs. You can also decide to build the business, become an active participant, motivate your contacts, mobilize your contacts, and earn commissions. And 30% of those commissions you will earn in OPRs at the daily price. You can also go out and purchase OPRs from other partners on our trading platform. There's no limit to how many OPRs you can purchase. What are the principles of the bonus OPR program? As you know, we have 2 rounds of bonus OPR allocations. Let's say you start out at business level. You receive a total of 2,300 OPRs, and those OPRs first double to 4,600, and in the second step they will double to 9,200. Half your bonus OPRs that you receive are convertible into mining rights and ILCoins, and the other half are convertible or tradable. It's up to you. I'm going to explain that in a few minutes. But let's say you only start out at basic level. You have your entry and the basic pack. You receive a total of 100 OPRs. The same will happen. The numbers, of course, are different. Your 100 OPRs will double to 200, and then in the second step double again to 400. It's quite simple and quite easy. Doesn't matter if you are in an active or an inactive status, you will still see your OPRs double in numbers. I mentioned before that 50% of your OPRs are convertible into mining rights and ILCoins, and the other 50% you can, if you want, offer for sale. Now, we receive questions about that. Obviously, it's not quite clear to everyone. What this means is that all your OPRs are convertible to mining rights and ILCoins. I mean, that's the whole game. That's the whole purpose. This is the mission. That's what we are here for. Convert OPRs into mining rights and ILCoins. But we leave a little window open for you to sell, or offer at least for sale, some of your OPRs, a maximum of 50% of your bonus OPRs, if you feel that's what you want to do. So 50%, a maximum of 50% of your bonus OPRs can be offered for sale on our trading platform. Going back to the principles of the bonus OPR program, if you feel that you missed the boat, you didn't participate in the first OPR allocation with all your packs, and you didn't purchase all your packs before the second bonus allocation, that's no problem. You can always open up a new position if you want and start all over again. Because remember what I said, we give 2 rounds of bonus OPR allocations per position. So doesn't matter how many OPRs you have, or doesn't matter which pack or packs you have purchased, the number of your OPRs will double on the day when bonus OPRs are allocated. I hope you understand. If you are not happy with the number of OPRs you have acquired until the day of the bonus OPR allocation, then just open a new position and it starts all over again in that new position. All OPRs participate in the bonus OPR program, even the ones that you have in escrow. I think that's great news. Except the OPRs you offered for sale, they are what we call reserved, are exempt. So you will not see the OPRs you offered for sale double in numbers. I think that's fair. And please be aware that if you buy the Smart Pack for 5,000 euros, you receive 7,500 OPRs with this pack alone. That means that after 2 rounds of bonuses, you will end up having 30,000 OPRs. That's a 6 times increase. So in effect, for 5,000 euros, you receive 30,000 OPRs. So that's why a lot of smart people decide to go for the Smart Pack. Okay, you have seen your OPRs quadruple in numbers, in 2 consecutive steps. That's great. You've been through the bonus OPR program. What's next? What's your next step? Obviously, at this stage, you're looking at converting your OPRs into mining rights, therefore becoming an ILCoin miner. This way you can profit from the cryptocurrency boom. The good news is that you don't need any hardware or software. You don't need to bring your computers or your expertise or knowledge or experience. No need for that. You just need to convert your OPRs into mining rights. You get ILCoins, and you are now part of our mining team, our mining pool. So by converting your OPRs into mining rights, you start digging and receiving ILCoins. Now I want to show you how it's done. How do you convert your OPRs into mining rights? It's very simple. What you do is get into your web office, click on ILCoin, and in the scroll down menu you will find Buy Mining Rights. Here you are. So what you do is find this little table here, and you see the conversion rates which are current at this point. You get 1 mining right for 50 OPRs. That's what this indicator tells you on the left. And for each mining right, you get 75 ILCoins at present. These ratios will change over time as mining difficulty and the cost of mining increases. Of course, that's quite normal. Everybody knows that it's getting more and more difficult and expensive to continue mining digital currencies. That's just the nature of the beast. But for now, don't worry about that, because you should be aware that you get one mining right for 50 OPRs, and each mining right will earn you 75 ILCoins. Okay, clear on that? Great. Let's move on. What you do, let's say you want to purchase one mining right for 50 OPRs. You put the number here, terrific, you click on save, and there you go, your mining right is now purchased. But the status of that mining right is still waiting. Let me explain that. Remember, you have just purchased your first mining right. Terrific. But that mining right you have just purchased does not immediately start mining ILCoins for you. There is a little waiting period. And that's not a long time, because if there are free mining slots available, and at the moment we have plenty of empty mining slots, then the waiting time is only until midnight the same day Central European time. So let's say you purchase your mining right at 6 p.m. Central European time. You can be sure that in 6 hours time your mining right will become active, and it will start generating and mining ILCoins for you. The waiting time is not likely to change in the short to medium term, but because miners join the pool on a first come first served basis, free slots will become available as old partners receive their ILCoins, and then you can take their place. I hope you understand the whole process. So don't worry too much about it at the moment. Your mining right will start getting into action and generating ILCoins for you the next day, that is after midnight, the same day you purchase your mining right. Having purchased your mining rights, you can always follow and monitor what's happening with them and how they are doing. If you go into this area, your ILCoin mining rights, you can see how many mining rights you have. Let's investigate this field a little bit more closely. Let's click on this Details tab here in the middle and see what happens. When you click on that, you will see that you purchased 5 mining rights on the 2nd of October 2015. And indeed, 30 days later, the mining process ended, and you ended up having 375 ILCoins. That's 75 ILCoins per mining right. That's terrific, so the status is now closed. You see that you spent 250 OPRs on those 5 mining rights. The duration of mining was 30 days, and indeed you received 375 ILCoins. Terrific. Let's click on the tab above this one, and here I can illustrate for you how different mining rights become active. Here in this transaction ID 19, you purchased another 10 mining rights on the same day, October the 2nd, 2015. Now, not all of them started mining ILCoins immediately. What you see here is that 4 of these mining rights started working on the same day, October the 2nd, and 30 days later they generated for you 300 OPRs. The status is now closed. But another 5 mining rights didn't start working until the 13th of October, and they will run out on the 12th of November, 30 days later, which will give you another 375 ILCoins. So the status of these 5 mining rights is still in mining. And it's the same with the last single mining right that you purchased again on October the 13th. It'll run out on November the 12th. It'll give you 75 ILCoins, but that mining right is still in operation. The status is still mining. So this is what you do. This is how you check the status of your mining rights. I think it's pretty brilliant. If you find all this a little bit too complicated, don't worry. Just rewind this tape and listen to this section again and again until everything falls into place. Now, what's the good news? Remember, Ilgamos democratized gold ownership. What this means is that people around the world, millions of people potentially, are now able to purchase gold 24/7 in real time at any time. That's brilliant. I mean, anyone around the world can purchase gold 1 gram at a time, as little as 1 gram at a time. And now anyone, virtually anyone, can get access to gold and gold savings. We are bringing gold to the people. Physically, what this means is that in many countries there are some restrictions on the importation and sale of gold. But what we do, we try to find local dealers who supply that market, that region or that country, and we're trying to make a deal with them whereby we pay them and they delivered gold on behalf of Ilgamos to the local customer. So I think it's brilliant. So we democratized gold ownership. But not only that, we also removed the luck factor from the process of mining digital currencies. Because let's face it, past experience suggests that mining digital currencies is quite an unpredictable business. You may get lucky and you may be able to mine quite a lot of coins in a certain period, but then your computers may be just running and running without producing anything for another while. In this case, with Ilgamos, you surely get your ILCoins 30 days after the mining process starts. I think it's brilliant. This is a reliable and stable system. It's the world's first. In other words, there's no risk in getting your ILCoins. We are very, very proud of that. Now, your ILCoins have been mined, and as you convert more and more OPRs into mining rights, they will continue to be mined in the future. But what happens after your ILCoins have been mined? What happens with your ILCoins? Where are they? Well, you will see the number of your ILCoins mined in your web office. There is a yellowish, brownish field here on the left that tells you how many ILCoins you have mined up to that date. This is what we call your internal wallet. That internal wallet is the place where you can see how many ILCoins have been mined. This is again inside your web office. It's very important. So this is part of your web office. That's your internal wallet. This is highly secure. Now, let me explain. If there is an internal wallet, as I've just showed you, there must be an external wallet. And indeed, there is. Now, what's the external wallet? Let me just show you. The external wallet is what you have downloaded, or what you can download if you haven't done it yet, from our website, from the web office. And this is what it looks like. This is how you can download it. Most of you are familiar with this. Most of you have already done this. And most of you have requested support to send you a free complimentary ILCoin. So that's the external wallet. It's quite different. It's distinct from the internal wallet that we have in your web office. The external wallet is something that our IT team developed. This is what it looks like. That's what you can see on your screen if you open it on your PC. That's your external wallet. This is the wallet that you download, and it's not the same as your internal Ilgamos wallet? Well, we are very proud, as I said, of having a highly professional cryptocurrency ILCoin wallet. Some coin companies don't have that. However unbelievable it sounds, the downloadable external wallet really is proof for the outside world that we do have a fully functioning cryptocurrency mining operation. We have our own proprietary blockchain, and we have a high quality digital coin called ILCoin. So please be proud and brag about having our own downloadable external ILCoin wallet. Yes, we do have it. Encourage people to go into their web office and download it and show it around. Our Ilgamos external wallet is quite unique. This is something you need to be aware of. Anyone joining our system and getting a web office can download this wallet. You can have it, but you cannot mine. Normally, when you download a cryptocurrency wallet, that wallet usually gives the smart computer geeks access to the mining platform. We don't do that. We want to protect our ILCoin inventory against speculators and want to make sure ILCoins remain exclusive to Ilgamos. This is a major technological feast that is something that we and our IT team are very, very proud of. It's quite a unique achievement. We can also replace your downloadable external wallet should you lose it. Now, how can you lose your wallet? Very simple. Your computer collapses. You damage your hard disk. Your computer gets stolen, heaven forbid, anything like that. This way you can, in theory, and in some cases, of course, in practice, in reality, you can lose your ILCoin wallet. Since we can monitor who has downloaded the wallet and who has how many ILCoins in that wallet, we can replace the wallet. Not only that, we can also replace the contents of that wallet. We can replace the currency, the ILCoin that you have in that wallet. So nobody can do that. This is absolutely brilliant. This is a world's first. It's absolute security. I don't encourage you to lose your wallet and be irresponsible. Best thing you should do is save your wallet onto a pen drive or an outside hard disk that you don't normally use, etc., etc., just to keep it safe. But should you lose it, we can replace it, and we can replace the ILCoins that you have in that wallet. I think that's brilliant. We do have a truly unique external wallet. And I'm proud to report and announce that the geographical location of our wallets is quite widespread. We have wallets in Germany, in Sweden, and in Hungary, again for maximum security. I must tell you that we do receive time to time malicious attacks by hackers who try to damage, steal, or compromise our blockchain and try to get access to our ILCoins that we have already mined. But I'm very happy to be able to say that no damage has been done so far, despite the fact that we have had attacks from countries like South Korea, India, and Vietnam. But of course, our system has remained intact. It's absolutely safe and secure, and I can pretty safely say that it is probably one of the safest blockchain and coin systems around in the world. So getting back to the original question, where will your ILCoins be held? Your ILCoins that you have mined in that mining pool after converting your OPRs into mining rights and generating ILCoins for yourself, those ILCoins will be held in your internal wallet, in your web office. That's for 100% safety and security, in order that no ILCoin can be lost. We are not going to release ILCoins into downloadable external wallets. Not at least until 51% of all ILCoins have been mined. And that's coming up sometime in the future. So repeat, no ILCoins will be placed in the external wallet for everybody outside Ilgamos to see. This is, again, for security. We do not want big hackers, big-time hackers, and speculative money raiding our ILCoin portfolio. If we released our ILCoins to the open public, then the risk of compromise could be running much higher. So we don't do that. We will not do it until at least 51% of all ILCoins have been mined. But it doesn't stop you from selling, trading your ILCoins if you wish to do so. You will be able to do that on our internal trading platform, which will be made to suit ILCoin trading by the time the minimum amount of ILCoin, the minimum commercial amount of ILCoins have been mined. So you will be able to buy and sell and trade your ILCoins on our internal trading platform, the platform that we use today for trading OPRs. When trading in ILCoins starts, trading in OPRs will gradually phase out, and it'll give its place to trading ILCoins. OPRs, of course, remain an absolutely exciting and essential tool in your hands to accumulate as many mining rights and ILCoins as you possibly can. So OPRs will continue to be a very important component of our business model. But after ILCoin trading starts, trading in OPRs will discontinue. When can you start trading ILCoins? Simple, after the first 100 million ILCoins have been mined. Again, for safety and security. We will keep everyone informed time to time about how we go and how many coins have been mined, so you will be updated on a regular basis. So much about technicalities and how-tos. Now I want to say a few words about the why and the direction we are taking. What's the vision for the future? We are doing all this because we believe that we can build an ILCoin-based economy. I mean, these are pretty big words, but if we have enough people, I don't mean hundreds and I don't mean thousands, but I mean hundreds of thousands and even millions around the world, then we can do that. We can build an ILCoin-based economy in which ILCoins, our very own digital currency, are widely accepted by merchants, online and offline. The coins are bought and sold and traded on a regular basis, where transactions are cheap, fast, and anonymous, just like trading and dealing with bitcoins. It's gonna be brilliant. We've got to believe we can do it. The next thing we can do in an ILCoin-based economy is to have and develop our own payment processor. As people discover and begin to use ILCoins, they will need a platform to exchange dollars and euros and pounds, etc. into ILCoins. We will have a payment processor, a bit similar to PayPal. And while PayPal charges 3-4% for transactions, we will charge 1.5%, but on a lot of transactions. And we share this 1.5% amongst all members. 0.5% will go to the referrer, to you, if you bring in a merchant who accepts ILCoins and who wants to trade our currency. The other 1.5% will go to the line of sponsorship in commissions, and the last 0.5% will be retained by the company. So what my message really is, that bring a merchant or bring many merchants and earn a passive income from continuous transactions as they take place. Transactions will be fast and cheap. There will be no chargeback from the point of view of the merchant. I think it's brilliant. It's great news. I mean, I could tell you stories about the headache caused by chargebacks. That's terrible. With cryptocurrencies, transactions are irreversible, there's no chargeback, and there is no risk. And for a merchant, using ILCoins means that it opens up a brand new segment of the market. They'll be able to generate new clients, new business, because a lot of people will want to do business with people, service providers and merchants who accept ILCoins in the future. So they'll get more customers without advertising. We are also exploring new opportunities, new and exciting opportunities, and for that we are talking with relevant experts in different fields. One such new opportunity is micropayments. What are micropayments? Just imagine hundreds of millions or even billions of people around the world in poorer regions of the world like Africa or some parts of Asia, where people have hardly anything. They certainly don't have bank accounts and credit cards, but all of them today have a cell phone. And companies like Facebook and Google are planning to cover the entire planet with free Wi-Fi within a relatively short period of time. So Wi-Fi and digital access will be available to every human being on the planet. So while they don't have banks and credit cards, bank accounts, they do have a huge market potential. We are looking at billions of people. If we can adapt ILCoins for use on cell phones, then we have created a multi-billion-dollar business for ourselves. This is a very exciting new area in our business model. So, to repeat something that I have shared with you many times before, but for the benefit of our new partners, let me just say that we believe there are 6 major stages of building the ILCoin-based economy. The first and very important stage is to create the base. So please bring people, build numbers, build confidence, share the news, involve the masses. We cannot build an ILCoin-based economy with a handful of people. We will take care of mining ILCoins. You don't have to worry about that. The second stage, we are already in it, is mining ILCoins. We have started mining ILCoins in commercial quantities back in September, and you will now soon be able to convert your OPRs into mining rights and receiving your first ILCoins. That's very exciting. Shortly after that, once 100 million ILCoins have been mined, trading in ILCoins will start, and that's stage 3. Initially on our internal trading platform, but in stage 5 out in the open. But first, before that, stage 4. We have to start inviting merchants at the right time, both online and offline, and make sure the acceptance of ILCoin is enhanced and extended. We will develop a bidding platform, we will have online gaming, and we will start selling products and services in part or in full for ILCoin. It's very exciting. Stage 5, we will bring ILCoins out to the open markets. It will be credited not only to your internal wallet, but also now to your downloadable external wallet. But that's not happening before 51% of all ILCoins have been mined. So we are going to expand the ILCoin user base. More and more people will be interested in buying ILCoins from miners. And who are the miners? You are the miners. So you will be selling ILCoins and generate profits from the sale. And Ilgamos, as I outlined before, will run its own in-house payment processor. Stage 6 is open market trading Again, that's the last and final stage. That's not going to happen before the vast majority of coins have been mined for safety and security of the system. Most smart business people consider their exit options before they become involved with a project. Okay, it all looks nice, but how do I get out? What's my exit strategy? Well, these are your exit options. By using our system, you can start building your own private gold reserves in absolute confidence and privacy. You can build your gold reserves and have a garage full of gold if that's what you want. You can start purchasing gold 1 gram at a time. We keep it in safe storage for you, free of charge, and anything over 20 grams we are very happy to ship out to you. We ship out smaller quantities as well, but the costs are really too high in proportion to the amount of gold that you want to be shipped. So anyway, one of your exit options is to start saving in gold and building your private very own gold reserve for the safety and security of yourself and your family. If you decide to become involved with the promotion of our business concept, and if you start building the team and invite new clients, and you can do it virtually anywhere in the world, because this is an online business. You are not restricted to your city, to your street, to the place where you live, to the country where you reside. You can build your business anywhere. So you may earn commissions and bonuses along the way, and you can use those commissions for anything you want. You can purchase gold or have the money transferred into your wallet, whatever. And the last option you have is that you can profit from the digital currency revolution. Convert your OPRs, get your mining rights, get your ILCoins, build your ILCoin inventory, and participate together with us in this wonderful game of building an ILCoin-based economy. It's not going to happen overnight. It might take months and years. Bitcoin took 4 years, really, before it was discovered big time. So I'm not promising you immediate gratification. We need to work hard. We need to build the base. We need to invite people, generate excitement, generate numbers, and then it will happen. If you look into your web office now, you can see that the bonus OPR indicator stands at 93%. It's more than likely that the second bonus OPR allocation will take place on Monday. That's early next week, which I believe is the 9th of November. You have a few days until that date, so I urge you to consider upgrading, getting more OPRs, or inviting more people to this game, to this wonderful business, and this way you can earn commissions, bonuses, and receive more OPRs that will double for you next week. This is all for tonight. We will post messages, news on our Facebook page. The recording of this webinar will be available on the Ilgamos Partners Worldwide closed Facebook group page, and you can monitor and follow everything that we do. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send a message to support@ilgamos.com. We have just appointed 2 more people to be at your service, and they'll be very happy to handle your questions and issues within the shortest period of time. So we are looking great. In a few weeks, couple of months, you will see a brand new Ilgamos. I can tell you that we are going through a major facelift. We will have a new opening web page. You will have a brand new web office. We are putting together an online marketing plan, and we are making a quantum leap in terms of payment methods, both in and out. But I don't want to share news with you too early, so please stand by, wait for announcements and very, very exciting changes coming along. So I want to thank all of you for your patience and for your attention tonight, but most importantly for your trust and confidence in Ilgamos. I thank you for your support. We are here to support you. We work together and we build a great, great business together. Thank you, and talk with you and see you next time. Bye bye.